This is a motor that came in complaining of lack of power. It's found that the bottom spark plug, the gap was closed up on it, so it's only really running on 3 cylinders. Go ahead and start her. So now it seems to be running good balance. And knocking out 1 cylinder. And knocking out the second one. So we did a balance check on it and it shows that all the cylinders are balanced. So all cylinders are putting out power. So that's solved. But nothing was ever brought up. What's going on in the lower unit. And go ahead and pop it in gear. We'll now migrate to this problem.